All right, so check it out. I'm back again. Decatur Low, LSI Enterprise. If you don't know what LSI stands for, it stands for Lion Share Investment. Why did I call it that? Because I'm trying to get the lion share. If I get the lion share, I can share with other people. I want y'all to get your own lion share. It's time to stop being satisfied with these crumbs. Whatever's on the table, let's get it. They take it from us. Let's get it together. Let's pass it out. Anyway, got 4 minutes, 30 seconds left. All right, this video is about portfolio consolidation. What do I mean by that? Once you start getting into trading stocks and investing, you're gonna go down what they call a wormhole, and you're gonna open yourself up to so many sources of information that it's gonna get confusing. As soon as you start to track one stock, something else come on. Then you might go to this stock, jump out of there because it's down a little bit, go to something else that might be hot. And before you know it, the company that you forgot about, had you kept it for 2 years, you'd have been up 300-400%. You understand what I'm saying? So what I want to do is save y'all time by experience by sharing my experience and giving you the wisdom from my experience. So I went through that process. So what I do now, I got different types of account. I got trading account, investing account. So what you want to do as it relates to long term, especially when you're in the beginning, you don't want to be manipulated by somebody else's marketing. So instead of trying to manage in 20, 30 different stocks and all that stuff, what I'm gonna do is show you how to find the best stocks in the market simply by just dividing the stock market up into slices or what we call sectors. So the cheat code is find the right ETFs. And then you look at the ETFs based on the charts analysis that I showed y'all. And once you analyze the chart, some charts of these different ETFs, then you can determine, okay, healthcare is doing good, technology is doing good. These are the ones I need to be with. Consumer staples going down, and that'll give you an idea. If you want to invest individually, you go inside these ETFs, find the top ones within these ETFs, and invest in them. All right, so here's what I'm talking about. All right, so you might want to write these down right here. These are the main ETFs. You got a couple more, but for the sake of time, if you stick with these, you good, right? So what's happening now is this whole thing is data center build out. It's not a fad, y'all. If you do anything with Chat GPT, Gemini, all these AI apps, they need a lot of compute. And these data centers they're building, mostly for them. Because they want to supply y'all with the demand that's coming. So once you play with that AI, you're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. And then the revenue finna start coming in. It's already coming in. And you're gonna see it's gonna almost be like if you missed out on the cloud, this is your thing right now. For the next 2, 3 years, and probably the next 10 years, you want to invest in these this data center build out. Anyhow, so this is what you do. Write these down, and I want you every now and then, every week or every month, look at the charts from these and determine what they putting their money into. So let's take a look. Let's look at technology. All right, so you look at technology, what is it doing? You see that? Since probably end of April, it's been doing what it's supposed to do. 130 to 180, that's at least 30% in about a month. Got me? If we look at on a weekly chart, it's kind of smooth. Let's see. From here to here, it's more than 100%, right? Well, actually, this is 100%. It doubled up. Got me? Now, here's what I'm talking about. So this is XLK talking about technology, right? So instead of keeping up with all these different companies, y'all gonna have to zoom in on this on your phone. Look at what this ETF covers. Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Broadcom, AMD, Intel, Cisco, Lam Research. So y'all know about that one. That's the one that helped me make a lot of money for the last 15 years. Applied materials. You don't know about this one. This is also a good research tool because if you look at applied materials, that's a good stock. Both of these good stocks. You can't make chips without these particular companies right here. So that's what you want to do. They in favor right now. Let's go to another. What's another one I got? Let's look at energy, right? Let's look at the energy XLE because they're gonna have to have some energy to power these data centers, right? Look at this ETF. Look pretty good, fairly decent. That ain't bad, you know. From 48 to a high of 62, that's a 50% return right there. That's not bad at all. Once again, cheat code. I'm giving you all the cheat codes. If you come down here, look at the top holdings in this ETF: Exxon, Chevron, Conoco. All these are oil companies, right? Now, when I say I'm gonna give y'all another one, um, that me and my group on, they give you the actual utility companies. Well, let's see, XLU. I didn't put that in the chain, but if you scroll down here, boom, they give you all the top energy companies, right? As it relates to, they call them utility companies. Still call them energy companies. They power suppliers. That's jumping off the charts right now. From 38 to a high of 47, that's about 30%. That ain't bad. So this is a cheat code, y'all. Instead of keeping up with 1,000 stocks or even keeping up with 50 or 25 stocks, especially when you're trying to keep them in your real portfolio, that can be a headache. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a cheat code, man. And if you don't like the ETF, use the cheat code to find the best stocks within that sector. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. I think I'm running out of time. And check this out. Use the cheat code I already showed y'all about FinViz, and you can look at the chart. See if you like it or not. Look at the trends. Is it trending? It's kind of sideways right here. Look at the last one I showed you. Let's look at XL. Okay, boom. Got it? Now, you know what? Just for the sake of time, give y'all one nobody don't talk about. I ain't never heard nobody talking about this. Shout out to DJ and Mion. I put them on to this. This is it right here, y'all. Look, this right here is an ETF basically on AI. All the major AI companies. It's a mix. You see what I'm saying? You got Nvidia here, AMD for the semiconductor part of it, but they also got some of these companies dealing with the memory. You got me? You got ARM, you got Broadcom. All these companies right here gonna benefit from that AI build out, data center build out. And up here, you're not gonna really have the profit and all that because it's not one company. But if you look up these companies, especially the top ones, they making money. Believe that. So that's your cheat code. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Not like and describe. Like and subscribe. Clicking on the link below. Go to lsienterprises.com. If you don't want to actually learn this stuff and but you still want to make money, I got an option in there where you can subscribe and I'll tell you the stocks that I buy and that I recommend on a monthly basis. Some of them on a weekly basis. So you can do that, or you can sign up for one of the classes. Like I said, I try to keep the classes down to a limited amount of people, but I'm gonna start doing like maybe 2 days a week. And so I'm gonna expand the size of the class. I'll let y'all know next quarter. Right now, I'm just chilling. I already got the people I got to teach them, but next quarter I think I'm gonna make it larger. So go to the website, check it out. Even if you decide not to get in, lock in, pay attention to see whether or not I'm gonna release something else. Trust me, I don't like to waste my time, so I'm definitely not gonna waste your time. If I speak, it's got some value in it. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Oh yeah, like I always say, man, get to the money, man. Don't pay the nonsense no mind. Stay locked in, get to the money. Enjoy your life. Look out for your folk. Teach your folk how to make money too. Y'all be easy.